2019 Corvette with just 14,000 miles. What a beautiful car. It could be yours today. As we said, 2019 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport 2LT Convertible. This is a gorgeous car. As we said, 14,000 miles. Already quite on the exterior, has that unbeatable adrenaline red interior, and this car looks fantastic with that beautiful jet black convertible top. Under the hood, 460 horsepower LT1 engine with 6-speed manual transmission. It's going to be so much fun to drive. Factory features include the $4,455 2LT Preferred Equipment Group. We always tell you this includes heads-up display, Bose 10-speaker AM, FM, XM, MP3 stereo with steering wheel controls and MyLink. The car has auto-dimming mirrors, heated and vented seats, dual power seat bolster and lumbar, advanced theft deterrent, universal garage door transmitter, memory package, and it also has a front view camera as well. The Grand Sport package is included, of course, black brake calipers, electronic limited slip differential with cooler, multi-mode exhaust, magnetic selective ride control, dry sump oil system. It has those Z06 sized wheels, tires, and brakes, Z06 style rocker panels, and the wider quarter panels and fenders. Specific gear ratios, and it has that wicker bill rear spoiler, specific front splitter, and it has the side skirts. It has a power top. It has those beautiful red brake caliper override. It has carbon flash badge package, carbon flash painted side mirrors and rear spoiler, black wheels, performance data recorder with navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto capability, Bluetooth package, keyless entry and start, dual zone electronic climate control, HID headlights. Everything on this car is power. And this car, as we said, shows just 14,060 miles. It's in good condition. Has a great shine. The convertible top is in very good condition, and those black wheels look great. The interior of this 2019 Corvette Grand Sport Convertible shows very good factory leather seats, steering wheel, center console, very good to excellent door panels. Additions to this car include a clear acrylic windscreen with Grand Sport script. It has the rubber floor mats and red paddle shifters. So give us a call today here at buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia at 770-414-5552. One of our experienced sales representatives can help put this car in your driveway much less expensively than you would ever imagine, even if you need to include shipping. We do that every month here at buyavette.net, and we make buying a car online something you can do with ease and with confidence. Of course, we always hope you'll stop in and see us. If you can't, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and when you do, hit the notification button, and you'll see every new car when it comes to our showroom floor or it's out front on our lot. We'd love to hear from you. We'd love to see you stop in sometime. Remember, buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We hope to be your ultimate Corvette buying experience.